Zipper foot number 4 is included with practically every Pfaff machine I've ever opened or used. This one though has a little different look. Because your machine is suited up with the IDT or dual feed, you will notice that there are 3 points in the back of the foot. Now I point that out because you can actually attach this to either the right side or the left side, depending on what side of the zipper you're sewing on. I've also seen people put this on backwards accidentally. So you want to make sure that that trident is in the back, and that will accommodate then the IDT. So when you take a look at how your zipper is going to go onto your fabric, maybe you're making a bag and it includes some zippers. Bags and zippers are actually very easy. You put the zipper right side next to the edge. You put the zipper foot right next to the zipper teeth, and as you can see, we need to be sewing more on the left side of this foot. So when I go ahead and pull down my IDT, I can do that before I put the foot on, which I like, and I'm going to go ahead and attach it. Now this guy is a little small, but as you lift it up in place, you can see that when we place the zipper foot next to the zipper teeth, center needle position is practically what you want. Yes, you can move your needle a little to the left or to the right, depending on how you are positioning. Most of the time, I just leave it in the center and then follow along, okay? So you're just leaving your zipper right next to the edge of your fabric. Let's take a look. And usually, the next thing I want to do is do some top stitching. So there's this first stitch. Usually you want to go ahead, take it to the iron and give it a press. Next, you use the same foot to top stitch this in place so it's not so bubbly. You want to really make that look nice and professional. So as I put this underneath, I notice that if I'm going to sew the same direction I sewed the zipper in, I do need to move the foot this time to the other side. So I'm going to just switch it over. Now it's attached to the right side of the foot. If I want to move my needle position to be a little closer to that fold, I can, but I think I'm going to just, it's a little wide, but I'm going to just go ahead and leave it for right now because really all I'm doing is stitching that down in place. There we go. And that's how easy it is. All right, look how perfect that is. So then your zipper fold is right next to it. So once again, if you did want to be a little bit closer, use your needle position and move your needle closer to that edge and then run the foot right along there. So if there was another piece that you're folding here, you're going to go back and repeat. You'll put that even, flip this over. I always sew with my zipper on top. And once again, move the foot back to the other side and you'll be ready to stitch and repeat those 2 steps we just did.